Hi, I'm Mike Jolley, Senior Manager, EPCube Support and Installation, and I want to show you real quick how to find on the app where your firmware version is located. So typically you'll open up the app and it'll come up on the home screen as you see here. This is the site I'm at, and if I tap on the More button, it will take me into the configuration screen, and if I scroll down about 2/3 and I tap on the settings, it will bring up the settings, and on the bottom of this I can touch the update and it will bring up the update page. Now on the top of the update page you'll see remote firmware update is slid to the right, green, that is enabled, so this system is ready for over-the-air firmware updates. Firmware version, this is one of the most important things, firmware version 2.8.0. If you're going to call tech support or if you're going to submit a trouble ticket, it's always beneficial if we know what firmware version you're running. So if you have an issue with your system, please go ahead and go through, open this up. I'm going to go through one more and show you how to get to it. If you go on the More tab, click on Settings, click on Update, it'll take you, and then you say, okay, the system is running firmware version 2.8.0. Also helps to know Smart Gateway, the ECU version is 2.7.0. The hybrid has two firmware versions. The DC to AC version is 2.9.2 and the DC to DC version is 2.27. So again, that's firmware version 2.8.0, ECU version 2.70, hybrid DC to AC 2.92, DC to DC 2.27.